A car window that won't roll up is usually caused by an electrical problem, a failed regulator, or something physically blocking the window. Here's a clear, step-by-step way to diagnose and fix it. First, check the simple things before taking anything apart. Turn the ignition to the on position, because many power windows will not work unless the car is on. Try using the window switch on both the driver's door and the door with the problem window. While pressing the switch, listen carefully. If you hear the motor but the window does not move, the problem is likely with the window regulator or the track. If you do not hear any sound at all, the problem is probably electrical or a faulty switch. Next, inspect the fuse for the power windows. Locate the fuse box by checking the owner's manual or the diagram on the fuse panel cover. Find the fuse labeled power windows. If the fuse is blown, replace it with a new one that has the same amperage rating. If the replacement fuse blows right away, this usually means there is a wiring short that will need further inspection or professional repair. Window switches often fail and can stop the window from working. To test the switch, carefully remove the switch panel using a trim tool or a flat screwdriver. If the switches are the same on another door, swap them and try operating the window again. If the window works after switching, this confirms that the original switch is faulty and should be replaced. Next, check the window motor for problems. A bad motor may make no sound when you press the switch, work only sometimes, or work only after you tap the door. For a quick temporary test, hold the window switch in the up position and firmly tap or bang the door panel with your fist. If the window moves after this, it means the motor is failing and will need to be replaced. Next, inspect the window wiring for any damage or loose connections. Damaged wiring can interrupt power to the window motor or switch, and any worn or broken wires should be repaired or replaced to restore proper window operation. Silicone spray is one of the most common and effective solutions for windows that stick in their tracks. It lubricates the rubber channels smoothly, helping the window move up and down more easily. Unlike grease or oil, silicone spray does not attract much dirt or dust, and it also helps repel water, which prevents future sticking and wear. By taking these steps, you can systematically identify the cause of a car window that won't roll up and fix the problem before it gets worse. Starting with simple checks saves time and money, and in many cases, the problem can be repaired without professional help.